For centuries, riverways have been important transportation routes for both people and goods. And the Red River, which is just roughly 6 miles south of Fort Towson and Doaksville, was one of these routes. And steamboats coming up the river would have brought items such as barreled salt pork, glassware, fabric, and other needed items. And of course, outgoing steamboats would have carried such locally made goods or grown goods as cotton. Now in 1851, the Doaksville published newspaper, the Choctaw Intelligencer, ran various articles about steamboats going in and out of the area. And so, the Choctaw Intelligencer, Wednesday, February 19th, 1851. Steamboat arrivals, Texas, Claiborne. Master on the 11th instant left New Orleans, 27th ultimate. Freight stores for officers, USA, and for George C. Gooding, sutler at Fort Towson. Berthollet and Jones, Doaksville. C.D. Irving, E. Hotchkins, and 40 reams paper for Choctaw Intelligencer. T.G. Wright and Company, Mouth, Kimishi. Swan Stockman, Master, on the 15th, left New Orleans, 26th ultimo. Freight for Quartermaster Stores, USA, at Fort Towson and Fort Washita. Berthollet and Jones, Doaksville, and Captain T.G. Wright and Company, Mouth, Kimishi. Mustang, Prescott Master, on the 10th, gone up to Pine Bluffs and Mouth Blue with freight. Echo, W.W. Whitenberry, Master, on the 18th, gone to Horse Prairie for cotton. The Choctaw Intelligencer, Wednesday, March 12th, 1851. Steamer, Texas. Claiborne, Master arrived at our landing on Monday last. Out from New Orleans, 27th ultimate. Freight, stores for the officers at Fort Towson. Berthollet and Jones of Doaksville, T.G. Wright and Company, Mouth of Kimichi, and 2 sundries. The Choctaw Intelligencer, Wednesday, May 7th, 1851. Shreveport and Red River Packet. The light draught steamer Mustang, N.G. Prescott Master, will run the present season regularly between Shreveport, Fort Towson, Doaksville, and Wright's Landings, and will run, water permitting, up to Pine Bluff and Mouth Blue. The Mustang is well calculated for the trade. For freighter passage, apply to the captain on board or L.D. Alzobrook, Doaksville.